Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing a concealer showdown for our Fun Friday. This is a Fun Friday video and we're going to do a concealer showdown. We're going to use the new Boi-ing from Benefit against the Tarte Shape Tape. So we are going to start with our Tarte Shape Tape on this side. And this is going to be a quick video. So, and as you know, Tarte Shape Tape, you have to get to it quick because it is so drying. And actually, this is like the worst time of year for me to try this because my skin is already getting really dry. All right. And yes, it's already starting to set. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit. I got a fuzzy that just keeps getting picked up and put back. There. It's still amazing. And I do like to bring it all the way up the side of my nose. So there you see the Tarte Shape Tape with nothing else on. I mean, I had foundation on already because I was going to do the eyelash video. And then I thought, and then I did my brows and thought, oh my gosh, I'm so pale. I need to put everything else on. So I decided to do this one. So, on the other eye, we're going to use the Boi-ing and see how it holds up. I need to get a clean sponge. Hold that thought. Okay, I'm back with a clean sponge for the other side. Let's just go in with our Benefit Boi-ing and do this eye. Take our clean sponge and get all the cat hair off of it. Start spreading this out. Pull it up the side of my nose. Okay, I'll see if I can zoom you guys in so you can see everything on my face. Okay, let's go a little closer. All right, can you see? This one is the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is the Boi-ing. Oops, I keep going the wrong way. Okay, let's see. Shape Tape, Boi-ing. There we go. What do you think? think I need more lighting. Okay, I'm going to zoom this out. I wish I had a remote that zoomed. Oh, I lost it. Anyway, I'm going to go put on the rest of my makeup and make another video of the putting on my eyelashes, and then I'll come back and I'll show you, and we'll do a wear test on this to see if they both wear well, because they look pretty good. Whoa, I knew I saw something on my face. Must have been eyeshadow or something. Oh, I touched this stupid thing. I need to keep that clean. You know how I always take my brush and go tap tap on the mirror? Well, it's sitting on this little plate thing, so it's just covered in shadow. That's what I got on me. But I got it off now. So, I don't know, I kind of like the Shape Tape. I haven't used it in a long time, but it looks pretty good. I like it better so far. But we'll see how it wears and how this one wears. But this one doesn't have as much coverage. That's definitely true. But it's not that far off. I just forgot how good the Shape Tape was. So anyways, I will be back. Okay guys, I forgot to come back in after I got my makeup on. So, mostly because the eyelashes were just, they were a big deal. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see the two concealers. Oops, wrong way. As far as it will go, I want you to look at them. I think Shape Tape still wins. This one is much drier. I mean, when they went on, they looked pretty much the same. But now, I think, let's see. Can you see? This one's super dry. Shape Tape looks great. I'm going to zoom you back out. So, my opinion is that I like the Boi-ing, but you need a lot of moisturizer, and frankly, Shape Tape still wins. It's still the best. It looks perfect. It's not breaking up. And this one is. Now maybe this eye is just drier. I will try it a few more times. Probably not side by side, but I will try. I'll definitely start using my Shape Tape again. I haven't used that in forever. And now that I used it, I remember how good it really is. So that's the end of this video. Shape Tape wins. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!